guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2021. Before I get into today's video, I'd just like to take the time out to wish you a very happy and prosperous 2021. I know it's late, but it's never too late for good wishes, and I wish this year comes with strength to deal with everything that's going on in the world. And I hope you find you're happy. I mean, everything is so heavy that we all need that one little thing that makes you happy. So a happy place, a happy book, anything that makes you happy. We're all about happiness this year. In 2021 for my channel, I am hoping to do even more hair reviews, showing you how to install. I'd also like to do color. Most of the videos on YouTube have like hair reviewers from the US, and most of those products aren't available on our shores or on our side of the world. So I would really like to experiment with certain things, but we'll see what happens. I'm very positive. Let me not waste any more of your time. Let's get right into today's video. So the faves over at Hot Beauty Hair sent me another wig to install and review on my channel. It is a curl wig. So all the hair comes in bags like this. It's a satin bag. We'll get to the hair right at the end. What came with the hair is this Alice band. Not really my style, but I think this would go with the headband wig, that half headband wig that has the blonde highlights. I think I'm going to try this with that. This would look cute with that. Then it comes with a satin scarf to lay like your edges. I've never done that also before. And also it comes with a wig cap. So I think I'm going to try and put it on with the wig cap. The hair is very soft. The hair is very soft. I liked it when it came. So it comes in a net like this. And then they've also put in this polyfoam thing to sort of let the hair keep its shape. Quick disclaimer, I've taken the hair out before. I had to bleach the knots and I had to co-wash the hair, so I know what the hair looks like. Sorry guys. This is what it looks like. So it's a lace frontal, a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and it's curls. Because it's been in the bag for so long, the curls are flattened out, but we're going to fix that up with some water and possibly some of the Auntie Jackie's curl pudding. So I've tried this hair on before. They've put in an elastic band, so it kind of fits very snug on my head, which I like. And it's also got the regular like wig band. It's got 3 combs, 3 or 4, yeah, 4 combs on the inside. So that's just extra security. So I'm going to attempt it with just the wig. I've taken some of that Smudge Cosmetic stick and put it on my foundation brush, and I am literally just going in on the edges of the wig. So just dab a bit and just brush it on like that, just on the edges, because I am going to attempt laying my edges and I want them to blend. So I'm going to use these 2 clips to get the hair out of the way so we can work on cutting the lace of this frontal. Clip the hair back. So clip this side of the hair up as well. So to cut my lace, I'm going to use these scissors. These actually came in a manicure set that I got from like Discam, but because they're so small and petite, I think this will be the best thing to use. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 slits, one over here and one over here. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the cut lace. I think it blends quite well because I haven't done anything. I just applied that Smudge Cosmetics stick, foundation stick, and I'm going to try and stick down these ear pitch pieces. Beauty hair scarf. I'm going to fold it in half. Yeah, but the parts around the ears, I think those are the hardest things to lay. You can see this side is already lifting a bit. But I think I'll get better with practice, honestly, because this is my first time. You need to pull the scarf really tight, and I'm going to tie it at the back. It's not long enough for me to bring it around the front, like tie it twice. So I'm just going to tighten it and hold for a bit, just so, because the hairspray will stick and the scarf will stay in place. So I'm just going to do that, and I'll probably leave it for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll be back as soon as I feel like the hairspray is dried enough and that my edges are laid. Practice will make perfect. I will get it right. So I'm just going to pull it up. Oh, you guys. It's not perfect, but hey. Not hating on it. It looks decent. So I'm going to pull the clips out. Get all the clips out of the hair. And then I need to decide where I'm going to part this hair. Grab some of the water and spritz the hair. Guys, this wig is so cute. Like, this is so cute, so cute. I did not do any baby hairs. You're asking a first year student to do a PhD task, but I don't think it needs baby hairs. Honestly, I feel like it looks okay, man. Like, it really does. But I am very happy. There is some shedding on the hair. It is curly hair. Curly hair does tend to shed, but I am quite pleased with the texture of this hair. The lace took to bleach well. Okay, so this is what it currently looks like. It's still a bit wet, but I'm kind of excited to see how it would look like when the curls have dried out again. But it looks cute either way. So this is the wet look, and it looks absolutely amazing. Like, I'm totally in love with this. very cute wig, very labor intensive as you saw, but I think with practice I'll probably get so much better, and maybe next time when I install it I'll try gel rather than the spray, because the spray was a bit messy. I did say I was going to give you the specs of the wig. It is a Bouncy curl bob frontal lace frontal wig. It is 8 inches and it is 180 density. It is virgin human hair, natural color, and I'm in the cap size medium. They have a sizing chart, so if you have any questions, do contact them. I will leave their Instagram profile link down below. I will also be giving you the link to this exact wig. Please remember that I have a site-wide coupon code PALESA15, and what that means is you can buy anything on the site and they will give you 15% off. Really love this wig. Thank you so much to Hot Beauty Hair for sending me this wig. I am totally loving it. It is so cute. I will leave everything in the description box down below. Guys, I thoroughly enjoyed it, though it was a struggle in the beginning, but I enjoyed attempting my first frontal wig installation. No glue, it was with a light holding spray. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. If you have any comments, also in the comment section. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share. I will see you next time in my next video.